Welcome to SimaSWay cooking. Today we're going to prepare air-fried parrot fish. For this recipe you need 1 pound of parrot fish, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. We rub it on both sides of the fish. Then 1 tablespoon lemon juice. We do the same. 1 tablespoon smoked paprika. If you like smoked paprika you can add even more. Don't forget to rub inside the fish as well. 1 tablespoon Cajun spice. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Once all the spices are rubbed and absorbed well, we do 3 cuts on the fish on both sides so that it looks fancier when it's air fried. Then we add 1 teaspoon lemon juice. We put it in the air fryer. We spray some oil and we air fry it for 15 minutes at 370 Fahrenheit. Once it's ready, we can serve it with bok choy. Bok choy is antioxidant and rich in fibers. This recipe, you can use it with different types of fish. Don't forget to subscribe.